Good morning, Catherine.
Good morning. I think we might have, okay, does my client again have one case or two cases?
He's got two cases, one MTR and one regular case.
And okay. All right, I have an offer, but I need to confer with the client.
Okay, very good.
Catherine, did you get the MTR and the court summary?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, I did yesterday.
Okay, good deal.
No problem.
Good morning, Ms. Ortiz. Good morning, Mr. Ortiz.
I like to tell them that.
Oh, good morning, Ms. Alcantar.
Yes.
If I could please speak with the prosecutor, I think I just need a rec before I speak with my client.
Excellent. And we're moving you to room 6. Go ahead and go back to 6, Miss Mitchell. Richard, you got your offer on both your cases?
I did.
Okay, moving you to room 1.
Thank you.
Terry, can you move me with the prosecutor? Because I want to just make sure about the offer.
Excellent, excellent. There
Okay,
you go.
thank you.
Moving you to room 6.
Carrie, I filled out the paperwork on both of the cases, but one of them is being dismissed. And Condra, well, it's in this computer system. I just don't remember which one. Out of the theft, the evading, I don't remember.
Okay, Kendra, we're on page what page? Oh, wait, yeah.
Nathan
What are we
Gomez.
doing? Okay, yeah, it's the very last page, 20. Yeah, Nathan Gomez.
I just can't remember because it was like last week I got that offer and I don't remember which one was being dismissed.
Okay,
716772 will be TIC'd.
And which one is that, Condra? Because my paperwork for my voucher went through the evading.
That is the evading. Yes.
Okay, so Terry, since that paperwork is not going to get done because it's pleading to the theft, but my voucher's in the evading.
yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, I will send you a voucher
I
on
have to
both those
redo it?
cases.
Oh,
Yeah,
man.
you won't have to redo the paperwork, but
No,
I'll send you a
voucher.
plain voucher.
Can you, when you do that, send this
Yeah,
in
I'll-
with it? And also on Aguero, I still don't have the new voucher on him. That was
Aguero,
not Aguero, Quas. Joshua Quas from last week where I filled it out for 300, but we had 2 cases.
yeah, that was last week. Do you remember what day that was by chance?
I absolutely do because of Judge Canales. It was Friday. If you search your emails for Joshua Quas, KWAS, I've sent you a reminder to send me that voucher.
Yeah, yes. Okay, I will look for that because yeah, our Adobe was down all Friday, Saturday, so it didn't come up until like Monday. So, but I will get that. I'll get that done for you because I had forgotten to do that, and I will send you a voucher on Nathan Gomez right now. Okay, and you got your offers on that, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, got it. Catherine, you ready to talk to your client?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me move you to. I'm moving you to 2. Okay, I'm gonna, Suzanne, I'm gonna move you to room 7 for right now till I get a room open for you. Just give me a
Thank you.
moment. Thank you, dear. I'm sending that stuff out. All right, good morning, Miss Vasquez. You have Courtney Wellset this morning. She's got 2 cases. Are we going on both?
You're on mute.
You're muted.
You would think I've done this long enough by now. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Good morning.
Good morning.
Courtney-
I said yes, yes, we're trying to get her out. She's been there too long.
Oh, okay, got it. I'm gonna, so you have your offer and everything. Okay, let me
No,
move you.
I don't have the offer.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, I'm moving you to room 6 to talk to the state.
okay, thanks.
All right, okay, good morning, Ms. Rodriguez. How are you?
Hey, Terry. I'm good. How are you doing?
Good, thank you. You have
Caleb Sanchez?
Caleb Sanchez. He has bonded out.
Oh, well, okay, then I guess I don't have him.
Yeah, he has bonded out. Sorry, I don't know if I sent you an email or remember if I did that or not the other day. Anyway, but he has bonded out.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Terry.
Hey, thank you.
All right, have a good morning.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Hello. Miss Alcantara.
Yes, Mrs. Vasquez, you got your offer?
Yes, can I speak to her really quick, my client?
Yeah, I'm gonna move you to room 7 for now until I get a room open. Just give me a moment.
Thank you.
Mr. Ortiz, how's it going?
It looks like we have all the documents signed and ready for a plea.
We're ready for
Excellent.
Edmund Garcia.
All right.
All right, Mr. Garcia.
Good morning, ma'am. How are you, y'all?
Raise your right hand for me, Mr. Garcia. You solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you will give in this cause will be true and correct. So help you God.
Yes, I do. Yes.
Okay, you can put your hand down. This is 715-209, State of Texas versus Edmund James Garcia. We have Kendra Mitchell for the DA's office, Rogelio Ortiz for Mr. Garcia. Mr. Garcia, you are charged with the offense of criminal trespass. That is a Class B misdemeanor. You could have gotten up to a $2,000 fine and up to 180 days in jail. That's the full range of punishment. It looks to me like you want to waive a jury trial, waive your right to remain silent in order to take the plea bargain your attorney worked out with the state. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am, it is.
All right. Are you a U.S. citizen?
I am. Yes,
And
I am.
are you doing this freely and voluntarily?
Yes, I am.
Satisfied with your attorney's advice?
Excuse me?
Are you satisfied with your attorney's advice?
Yes, I am.
Mr. Ortiz, are you satisfied that your client's mentally competent?
Yes, I am, Your Honor.
Is he been able to assist you in the preparation of any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
All right, then. To the charge of criminal trespass, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, no contest.
Not guilty. No contest.
Okay. I'm going to accept your plea of no contest. I am going to find you guilty. And Miss Kendra, I'm sorry. What is the plea bargain?
The agreement is for a $0 fine, court costs, 14 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, money and time to run concurrent, and the state asks that the judgment be satisfied.
That's your understanding, Mr. Ortiz?
Your Honor, that's exactly our understanding of the agreement.
All right, sir. Then I am going, Mr. Garcia, I'm going to follow that plea bargain. Therefore, your judgment is satisfied. If you have no other holds on you, I don't see any. So if you have no other holds, then you should be released sometime, probably tomorrow. Okay, sir?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Good luck to you.
Your Honor, that's all I have before this honorable court. May I be excused?
Of course, sir. You're free to go.
Thank you, Judge. Thank you, everyone.
A2.
Catherine,
Yes,
you ready, Catherine, for a plea?
yes, I
Okay.
am.
Stick right there.
Are you Mario?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, raise your right hand for me, Mario. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you'll give in this cause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
You can lower your hand. All right, Miss Valenzuela, we're going forward on the MTR.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Six, seven, eight, six. Well, that's not right. I'm on the wrong case. 1 sec. Okay, 701-108. State of Texas versus Mario Anguiano. We are here today for a motion to revoke probation. We have Kendra Mitchell representing the state, Catherine Valenzuela representing Mr. Anguiano. All right, sir, you are, so you're here for a motion to revoke. Are you the same person that was placed on DWI
Yes,
for
ma'am.
a period of probation? You are?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now they're saying you violated the condition of your probation in a few ways. I need to talk to you about your rights on this. You have right to a hearing. It means you have a right to have the state bring in witnesses against you to prove up these allegations, and the court would make a decision on that. I'm looking at paperwork that states you do not want to have this a hearing. You want me to go along with any plea bargain your attorney worked out with the state. Is that right?
Yes, ma'am.
What number are we going forward on, Ms. Mitchell?
We will be proceeding on violation of condition number 4.
You
That,
can proceed.
that in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Mario Eduardo Anguiano Jr. did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the month of December 2023 in violation of condition number 4.
Is that true, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to accept your plea of true. And is there an agreement state?
Yes, Your Honor.
What's that
The-
agreement?
The agreement is to revoke community supervision, enter an adjudication of guilt, and sentence the defendant to a $0 fine, court costs, 30 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, money and time to run concurrent, and the state asks that the judgment not be satisfied. I believe he would have just a few more days left.
Okay. And are you taking into consideration 719-562?
No, Your Honor.
No. Okay. All right. That's your agreement on that case, Ms. Valenzuela.
Yes, Your Honor, and we believe that the jail can figure out the days, and I think we're pretty
Right.
close, or we're there.
Okay. Then I'm going to revoke his sentence, reform it to $0 fine, 30 days in jail, credit for all the time he served, and time and money to run concurrent. His probation's been terminated unsat, and I'm signing that right now. So what are we doing with the other case?
We're gonna do a plea on it right now, Your Honor.
Oh, okay. Let me find that paperwork. Excuse me.
Your Honor, which which one was terminated unsat?
701108.
It was terminated or it was revoked?
Revoked. Sorry.
Okay, I'm sorry, because I was gonna have to do different paperwork then.
No,
Thank
no,
you.
revoked. I
Okay.
just spoke. Sorry.
Oh, okay, yes, Your Honor.
All right. So one sec. It won't let me. There we go. Okay, 1 minute. We'll get to the other case. Mario. Yeah, there it is. 719562. Same gentleman, sir. On this one, you're charged with the offense of a DWL, driving while your license is invalid. Looks to me like you're pleading no contest to this charge as well. Is that true?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to accept your plea of no contest and find you guilty. State, what's the agreement on that case?
The agreement is for a $0 fine, court costs, 10 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, money and time to run concurrent, and the state asks that the judgment be satisfied.
That is our agreement, Your Honor.
All right. I forgot to ask, is your client a U.S. citizen?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Your Honor.
Okay, perfect. Then I am going to follow that agreement as well. Your judgment is satisfied on that one, sir. I wish you the best. Good luck.
Thank you, ma'am. You have a
Thank you,
good
Your Honor.
morning.
Thank you.
Judge, on his first case for the NTR, how many days was he sentenced to?
30.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, ma'am. Wells. McCall Eastley. Nicole Eastley, Judge.
All right. I'm waiting for the lawyer.
Yes, ma'am.
While we're waiting for your lawyer, Miss Easley, raise your right hand. You solemnly swear or affirm testimony you'll give in this cause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can lower your hand.
Yes, ma'am.
I think Richard's doing his second case, Judge. He's got
That's
two
fine.
cases. Oh, okay, got it.
They've already put her in there, so
Okay.
There he
Yes,
is.
Richard.
all right. 684-964, State of Texas versus Nicole Easley. We have Kendra Mitchell for the state, Richard Garcia for Miss Easley. Mr. Garcia, Miss Easley has already been sworn. Miss Easley, you're charged with the offense of theft, 100 to 750. That's a Class B misdemeanor. You could have gotten anywhere up to a $2,000 fine, up to 1 year in jail. That's just the full range of punishment. You understand?
Judge,
You have
it's
what?
up to 6 months, 6 months in jail.
Yes, up to 108 days in jail. I'm sorry. All right. It looks to me like you're waiving those rights to a jury trial, the right to remain silent in order to get a plea in this case. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Are you satisfied with your attorney's advice?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Garcia, are you satisfied your client's mentally competent?
Yes, Your Honor, I am.
Has she been able to assist you in the preparation of any defenses?
She has, Your Honor.
To the charge, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, no contest.
No contest.
I will accept your plea of no contest and find you guilty. What's the agreement?
The agreement is for a $0 fine, court costs, 5 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, money and time to run concurrent, and the state asks that the judgment be satisfied.
That's your understanding, Mr. Garcia?
It is, Your Honor.
Okay, ma'am, then I'm going to follow that plea bargain and place you on, or sentence you to 5 days credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent. Therefore, this judgment is satisfied, and if you may be released sometime tomorrow, okay? Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Okay, and you're also on Reynosa.
Correct.
See, I don't know if I have that paperwork yet. I didn't get that paperwork. Oh, there it is. Never mind. Okay, Ms. Reynosa, raise your right hand, please. You solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you'll give in this cause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes.
Lower your hand, please. All right. 717-788, State of Texas versus Corren Consuela Reynosa. We have Kendra Mitchell for the DA's office, Richard Garcia for Ms. Reynosa. Ms. Reynosa, you're charged with the motion to revoke. They say you were placed on a DWI probation. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now they're saying you violated your probation in a few ways. We're going to talk about that in just a minute. First, I need to talk to you about your rights. You have the right to remain silent. You don't have to do or say anything today if you don't want to. You have a right to have a hearing in this case. Make the state prove these allegations against you beyond by preponderance of the evidence. Your attorney could ask questions of any witnesses. It's my understanding by looking at paperwork in this case, you do not want to have a hearing in this case. You want me to go along with any plea bargain your attorney has worked out with the state. Is that right?
Yes.
All right. State, what number are you going on, please?
We will be proceeding on violation of condition number 2.
Okay, you can proceed.
That on or about the 17th day of April, 2024, in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Corren Consuela Reynosa, did then and there fail to submit to drug testing as directed by the supervision officer and or a duly authorized agent of the court in violation of condition number 2.
All right, is that true?
Yes.
I'm going to accept your plea of true. Find it true. What's the agreement, Ms. Mitchell?
The agreement is to revoke community supervision and sentence the defendant to a $0 fine, court costs, 4 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, money and time to run concurrent, and the state asks that the judgment be satisfied.
Garcia, is that your understanding?
It is, Your Honor.
All right, ma'am, I'm going to go along with the plea bargain. You cannot appeal my decision, but your judgment is satisfied and you are off probation. Good luck to you. You should be released sometime tomorrow, okay?
Thank you.
She does have pending felonies, so she won't be released.
You won't be then. You got your felonies, but now you can take care of those, all right?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. Appreciate it.
Thanks.
Thank you, Richard.
Thank you. Good seeing you.
Bye. Nathan Ford Gomez, please.
Yes, Judge, I'm here.
Nathan Ford Gomez.
I think it's Gomez, Judge, unless I typed it wrong.
It's Gomez.
It's Gomez.
Yes, ma'am.
Raise your right hand, sir. Do you solemnly swear the testimony you'll give in this cause with the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
You can lower your hand. This is 716-773, State of Texas versus Nathan Ford Gomez. We have Kendra Mitchell for the state, Suzanne Kramer for Mr. Gomez. Mr. Gomez, it looks like in exchange for your plea and that cause number I just read out, they're going to take into consideration 716772, which means that case will be dismissed. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. I need to talk to you about your rights. You have the right to remain silent. You do not have to do or say anything today if you don't want to. You have a right to have a jury trial, make the state bring any witnesses against you. Your attorney could ask questions of those witnesses. It's my understanding by looking at paperwork, you want to waive those rights in order for me to follow the plea bargain your attorney worked out with the state. Is that right?
Yes, Your Honor.
I could have given you up to a $2,000 fine, up to 180 days in jail, but that's just the full range of punishment. If I don't follow your plea bargain, I'd let you take back your plea. Nothing we've done so far would be held against you. If I go along with it, you won't be able to complain or appeal my decision. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, Your Honor.
And are you doing this freely and voluntarily?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you feel your client's mentally competent, Ms. Kramer?
Yes, Judge,
Has he been able to assist you in the preparation of any defenses?
he has,
And how long have you represented him?
since last year.
All righty. Then how do you plead to the charge of theft? Guilty, not guilty, no contest.
No contest.
I'll accept your plea of no contest. I will find you guilty. State, what's the agreement?
The agreement is for a $0 fine, court costs 180 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, money and time to run concurrent, and the state asks that the judgment be satisfied. Additionally, the state will take into consideration clause number 716772.
That is
Is
the
that your-
agreement, Judge.
All right. All right, sir, I intend to follow that plea bargain. Therefore, your judgment is satisfied on your theft case. The evading arrest has been taken into consideration. Does he have any holds on him? Do you know?
Judge, we may have one out of the 175th. I thought that case was being dismissed. Odyssey is not showing that, but I'm going to check on that this morning.
Okay, great. So depending on what's happening, you can now move on with your next phase, okay? Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
You may, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This is Max Vasquez on Courtney Wells. And whenever she comes out, and everyone is here for the.
Yeah, I don't have any paperwork. Courtney.
For
Courtney,
the bonds. Oh,
Courtney
no, she's
Wells?
still confirmed. She's still in room
okay.
2, Judge. They're still confirmed.
Let me turn
the
off
last
the
case
camera
left.
and then we'll.
It's a voluntary.